Happy Earth Day from the Division of Remediation. Our program strives to restore our Earth every day, using risk-based and cost-effective methods for addressing abandoned sites with environmental issues. We work with private and public groups to make these sites ready for productive reuse to benefit local communities. This drone footage shows the progress occurring at one of these projects in Hamilton County. Lipton City site, a former textile mill, was constructed in 1923 and continued operating until approximately 2009. After the mill closed, a purchaser bought the site for the purpose of salvaging materials from the industrial buildings. The demolition and salvage operations began in 2012, stripping the site of any valuable materials and leaving an ugly debris field and environmental hazards, including asbestos, throughout the 12-acre property. The nearby residents faced the reality of residual contamination and a huge community eyesore. Through a tax sale in 2019, the City of Chattanooga acquired the property to protect the community from the hazards and the blight on that area. The city entered the site in the Voluntary Oversight and Assistance Program in our division. VOAP allows the city and the state to work cooperatively to ensure the minimization of risk to human health and the environment on the property. The city also receives liability protections through VOAP because they did not cause the contamination and did not own the property when the contamination occurred. The city went on to hire specialized contractors to remove the hazardous materials and grade and cover the demolition debris in place. The entire site will soon be covered by geotextile fabric, plus at least 2 to 3 feet of clean filled dirt. The end use of this site will be as a green space for the local community and be a benefit, not an eyesore, for the Lipton City neighborhood. That is just one example of how we work to restore our Earth. But how can you help? You can start by educating yourself on formerly contaminated properties that have been cleaned up in communities. And visit our website for more success stories. Remember, together we can restore our Earth.